Yemen is unraveling. In the north, airstrikes pound Iran-backed rebel strongholds.
As it stands, food aid isn't reaching everyone in need, like in the northwestern city of Hajjah.
This is what the world's worst humanitarian crisis looks like.
14-month-old Mansour suffers from what's known as severe acute malnutrition.
Her fragile body, like Yemen's plight, is a horror beyond words. The trauma of severe malnutrition has taken its toll. Her tiny arms are so thin, the doctors say she's lucky she's still alive.
Life is slipping away from Maimona Shagadar. She suffers the agony of starvation in silence. No longer able to walk or talk, at 11 years old, little Maimona's emaciated body weighs just 24 pounds.
In the villages of Yemen, it's the children who suffer most. Wherever you go, you can see the human cost of this war.
And Allah will ask on the Day of Judgment, who did this to you? Who did this to you? Who put you in this situation? And Allah will also ask, and who came to your aid? And you are presented with a people in distress. You need them as much, if not more, than they need you. What does it mean to actually be the answer to someone's prayer? How beautiful is it when that person raises their hands to the skies for you?